Today we are going to start our first chapter on Python. So first I will show you how to download the Python. First of all, go to the Google Chrome or Firefox, whatever you prefer. After that, you just search Python download. So you will get a list of websites. You just go to the top website, that is this one, official website. Then you just go scroll down. Here you can see there are lots of versions. Okay, you can just go through here. You can see the release date and all. So you will just download the Python 3.1.3. Just click on download. Okay, once it is done, you just go through down. Okay, so you will get the options of Mac OS, Windows and source release, that is some exact compressed source file. Okay, what you will do is you will go for the Windows 64-bit Windows installer 64-bit. Click on that. Once it is done, you can see here the download started. Okay, so it will take a bit of time. So till then we will see how it was. Okay, it depends on your internet speed. So let's wait. So once the download is completed, just click on this arrow and you can either install now, click on install now, or customize install. Okay, so whenever you install, just make sure that you just use this one, use admin privileges when installing, and add Python exe to path. These are two important steps, don't forget that. After that, click on the install now button. Okay, now you can see the installing is in progress. Okay, so you have to wait for the installations. So once done, you can click on close button. Okay, so if you want to check, just search here IDLE. Okay, you can see this one. Just click on here. Now you can see here. Okay, for example, say print. If I write print print hello, just to test whether the compiler is working or not. Okay, you can say hello. Fine. Say example, one more, print 1 plus 2, enter. You can see 3. That means our compiler is working fine. Okay, so this is how we install the Python compiler. In the next class, we will see how we are going to install the PyCharm. Till then, bye.